When was the last time that you browsed a website for a brand that you respect and you admire, one that you see all over social media that's gaining some real attention, and yet when you went to that website, you were unable to find the right product that was for you? In this video, I'm going to quickly share with you, wait till the end, a quick tip, one that you can implement today to help alleviate this confusion and make it easy for your customers to find the right product. This tip is one I have not seen implemented on at least 50% of the websites I go to, and one that can highly benefit each one of them. Let's jump in. Let's say we are browsing a website that looks like this. I am an amateur kayaker. I have a cheap kayak and I've seen Otter Splashes kayaks all over social media. I'm like, I am ready to spend my tax refund on a kayak here. Let's go figure out which one is right for me. So I've come to this website. I don't have the before link here, but I click on this link right here to drop the menu down. And what do I see? I see the Linux 4 and the Zira. What in the world does that mean? So I maybe click into the Linux. Okay, what does this mean? Okay, so there's a little text here. I skip over that. But then we have these two options. Okay, I'm an amateur kayaker. Like, I'm just going to be out on this body of water enjoying the beautiful scenery. Which product is right for me? Well, I don't have an answer to that question. I'm going to click in and I'm going to try to be figuring stuff out, and it's not going to make a lot of sense to me. Now, we can solve that problem, as I said a minute ago, with a very, very simple solution. So here's the problem. Companies think of these products often in terms of marketing terms. We have the sexy names out there, the amazing pictures that show how incredible these products are, the features and the benefits that each one of them brings. But what we forget is how they are going to be used. And in almost every situation, maybe except for apparel, and even to an extent apparel, this is really important to understand how it's going to be used. I said the problem is going to be simple to solve, and let me prove it this way. What if we had another way to browse our products? So instead of just the marketing names, which are great to have, like this is part of a brand's identity is these names, but what we also need is by application. So as I'm coming here as, let's just say I'm getting into fishing here on my kayak. All right, so I click into fishing and I see the kayak that matches what I need to use it for. So it looks like here we only have one in this case. That's fine, but in your brand, you'll probably have 5, maybe 10 of these. Now, better yet, I keep scrolling down the page and I'm like, yeah, but I also kind of want one that also works for whitewater rafting. Is there any carryover or crossover between these two categories? I can click into whitewater and I can see the ones that match in whitewater rafting as well. So what we are doing is helping the customer zone in on those products that actually match their intended need, intended use. The other benefit is massive, and that is SEO. From an SEO perspective, your customers will probably be finding these application pages before they ever land on a brand name page. More customers to your website, big win, allows you to score even better. If you found this quick tip helpful, feel free to subscribe to our SwiftOtter channel, as well as go to swiftotter.com/ecombuzz. This is tip number 16 today, and we'll be sharing these tips with you every other week on Thursdays at noon Eastern time. You'll be able to get those, quickly see it, quickly learn from it, and then implement it and win from it and make yourself look even better at your organization.